power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With low beam HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, performance hood, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, black roof rails, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, Beats premium audio system, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, technology group, selectable steering modes, heated second row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3369A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.